This is a nicely designed shoe cabinet from IKEA. It provides a cozy home for my shoes to reside in. I'm sure they love it. You can easily fit a pair of men's work boots, no problem, with enough space next to it to snugly fit a pair of Crocs. The bottom and top drawers are identical. Two men's runners can fit in side by side, though it is quite tight. Seeing as I don't have many shoes and live alone, my shoes can happily have a shelf to themselves. It's the epitome of luxury shoe accommodation, no question about that. My cabinet is next to the entryway, so it doubles as a spot to dump my wallet and keys. A nice touch is that the bottom side of the cabinet has a cutout for the skirting board. This means that the back sits flush with the wall and doesn't jut out. The back of the cabinet is also unsealed to allow for ventilation.